Today video I'm going to teach you guys how to make s'mores with is honey graham crackers. Also you need Hershey milk chocolate candy, and also you need marshmallows to make this for s'mores. But anyways, first let's open this candy. It's Hershey's milk chocolate. So I'm gonna use scissors. Also, if you're new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out when I post a new video. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make this. Here we go, Hershey's. Now let's open this marshmallows. Okay. And let's open this honey graham crackers. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how I do it, how to make s'mores. So I'm going to make one to show you guys how I do it. So here we go. First you need graham crackers. The next thing you need is Hershey milk chocolate candy. Like this. So what I do is put it on here. And then the next thing you need marshmallows. Take only one, I don't do two. Marshmallow. Put one right here. And let's get to the microwave, guys. Okay guys, I'm going to put this marshmallow and milk chocolate candy and graham cracker in the microwave. Do not put it too long because the chocolate and the marshmallow will melt. Okay, that looks good. So now the next thing you need to do is put this graham cracker on top. Oops, it broke. That's funny. So let's try this out. Looks like this. Yummy. Now you have a s'more now. So anyways guys, have a great day. God bless. Be safe out there. And the Crane Man says, peace out. Later. I'm gonna finish this yummy s'mores.